In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country in App Store and download Free Fire. If Free Fire is unavailable in your App Store region, changing your Apple account country may be necessary to download the game. Apple states that your App Store country determines which apps you can access. Let's begin by diving into the steps to change your account settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. You will see a list of various options. This is where you can manage most of your device settings. As you tap the icon, the screen will display numerous categories that pertain to your device's functionality. It is crucial to familiarize yourself with this section as it houses all the essential features for your Apple device. Take a moment to locate and tap on your name at the top of the settings menu. This action will take you to your Apple ID settings. Next, tap on Media and Purchases and then tap View Account. This section allows you to manage your Apple ID related to purchases. Once you are in this area, you will see various options available for your account management. This is an important step because it gives you access to modify your account settings, which will allow you to change your country. Being able to manage your account efficiently ensures that you have a smooth experience when downloading apps like Free Fire. Now, tap on Country/Region. This will take you to the section where you can view and modify your country settings. You might notice a list of countries currently associated with your account. Changing your country is essential to access apps that may not be available in your current region. It is a straightforward action that can open up a world of new app possibilities for you. After that, tap on Change Country or Region. This option is key to starting the process of changing your App Store country. Once selected, you will be presented with a list of countries to choose from. Make sure to select the country where Free Fire is available. This ensures that you will have access to download the game without any restrictions. Selecting the right region is critical in accessing the desired apps. Once you've selected the new country, review and accept the terms. This step is important as it confirms that you agree to the new conditions associated with using the App Store in your selected country. Carefully reading the terms helps you understand any changes in policies or requirements. Accepting these terms will allow you to proceed without any hiccups. Next, you will need to enter the required payment and billing information. Apple may require a valid payment method that corresponds with the new country you have selected. This is a crucial step because without proper billing information, your account change cannot be finalized. Ensuring your payment details are accurate will prevent any future issues with purchases or downloads. Before changing your country, Apple requires you to complete several tasks. Spend any remaining Apple account balance, cancel subscriptions that might prevent country changes, complete any pending refunds or purchases, and leave family sharing if necessary. These steps are important to ensure a smooth transition. They help you avoid any complications with your account status during the country change process. After changing regions, open the App Store again. This action is necessary to ensure that the App Store reflects the changes you made to your account. You will notice that the app availability may have shifted based on your new settings. This is a pivotal moment as it allows you to access the newly available apps according to your chosen country. Now, search for Free Fire. This search will allow you to see if the game is available in your new App Store region. It is a simple action, but it is vital because it confirms whether your efforts in changing your account country were successful. With the right settings, you should now be able to find the game you want. Finally, tap Get to install it. This action begins the download process for Free Fire. It is exciting to see your efforts pay off as the game starts downloading to your device. Keep in mind that app availability depends on the App Store region associated with your Apple account. Some apps and games are not offered in every country because of legal or publisher restrictions. Enjoy your gaming experience.